back for another video. Wait, is that what I usually say? Welcome back for another video, besties. So today we are making sweet potato cheesecake pie. So we're gonna be making that together. We got everything that we need. So make sure that before you even continue, like, comment, subscribe. But let's get straight into it. You're gonna be making two different batches. You're gonna be making the cheesecake section and then the sweet potato section. You're gonna need 3 blocks of cream cheese. We got 5 eggs, room temperature right here. Sugar, which we have
right there.
We're gonna need some vanilla,
which is right here.
Sour cream,
which is right here.
Butter,
which is right here.
Sweet condensed milk,
right here.
Nutmeg, and cinnamon. And then we have our already made pie crusts right here. We got the deep dish ones. But before we do that, we need to do something about this hair, right? I think we can perform a little bit of magic, right? So on the count of 3, we're gonna snap. You know how to snap? Mm-hmm. Okay, 1, 2, 3.
There.
We have our sweet potatoes right here.
Mm-hmm.
But we'll set that to the side. We're gonna do the cheesecake portion first.
All right. Let's get baking.
So we're gonna open up these pie crusts and we're gonna prick the bottoms. So we're gonna do the cheesecake part. So the first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna drop 3 blocks of cream cheese in the box. All right, so here's the 3 blocks of cream cheese.
Yep.
We are going to blend this a little bit and then we'll add in 3 eggs. You're gonna blend.
Okay. This is gonna look like whipped cream when we're done. It's too thick. This stinks.
All right, so we got this all blended.
Yippee-yap.
We got the cream cheese and the 3 eggs all blended.
Mm-hmm.
So now you're gonna add in 3/4 cup of sugar. Make sure that you scrape your bowl in between your blends.
So it doesn't get stuck on the sides.
Girl, this is so smooth. Period. Okay.
Period.
So I'm gonna hand you the sugar. We're gonna be putting 3/4 cup of sugar in there. Okay? So I'm gonna hand you this. I'm gonna let you pour, and I'm gonna watch it and tell you when to stop. Okay?
Okay.
You be cooking at school. Why you trying to act like you don't be cooking? Here. More slow so I can see. All right. 3/4. And then we're gonna do 1/4 cup of sour cream. I'm gonna blend and you're gonna pour it in there, but we're gonna let me get the sour cream ready first.
Sour cream time. Yeah. Sour cream. Sour cream.
Okay, what you're gonna be using for your sour cream. So like you scoop it, and if there's some extra on it, you do like this so that it's even. So you do like this so it's even on the top. You need more because it gotta fill it up. Alright, so there's your sour cream. So what you're gonna do is, while I'm blending, you're gonna pour the sugar in, and then you're gonna scoop your sour cream out into there, okay? While I'm blending. Got it?
Which one first?
It doesn't matter. You ready?
Mm-hmm.
Taste it. It's all There's uncooked eggs in here, girls. You can't just be putting it in her mouth. Should have wore an apron, nerd. Look how smooth it is.
It looks like it.
I keep turning to the other camera. Look at that. Then the veil. She's gonna be a chef when she grows up, apparently. Okay, so this is the cheesecake part. And we are going to put this to the side. And we're gonna do the sweet potato part. Ready? Okay. Okay, so for this part, the sound became corrupt. I don't know what happened, so I'm gonna talk you through it. So I'm doing the sweet potatoes, and I think it's 1 cup, but I blend my sweet potatoes scalding hot because that's the easiest way for you to get like all the stringy stuff out of there. So I peel my potatoes hot, I blend them hot so that I can get all that out. Other than that, the only thing I added was the 2 eggs, the vanilla extract, and prepped my butter. So I melted my butter, and then we had a dance break. So there's that, and then we'll come back to talking. All right, back to regular schedule programming.
Yep.
So what are we doing?
We're putting sugar.
1 cup of sugar.
1 cup.
Okay,
One
so
cup.
you're pouring, and I'll tell you when to stop when you get down.
Yummy. Okay, time to pour.
We're done with the sugar. I'm gonna spin. What? I'm gonna blend again, and you pour the sugar in. Do the butter first. Ready? Pour it in slow so it doesn't splash.
Okay.
All right. You trying to be delicate, girl? We're cooking.
Cooking.
You gotta show who's boss. You or the food? The food.
Me.
Just kidding.
What?
Did it do a thumbs up? Okay, so there's that.
Yep, there's that.
Now we need 1 cup of sweet condensed milk.
Which is over there.
And I think this whole can is 1 cup. This time I'm gonna have you blend and I pour.
I don't want to do it.
You hold in 2 hands, I'm gonna turn it on.
Right.
Now last but not least, cinnamon and nutmeg.
Yep. Well, it looks so orange. It kind of looks like, what's it? Orange creamsicle. Melted orange creamsicle.
It does. So after this, then we're gonna blend 1 more time. We're gonna be doing 1.5 teaspoons of cinnamon, not cinnamon sugar, ground cinnamon.
Ground cinnamon.
Okay.
1 teaspoon.
Can you put that in there? Half a teaspoon. 1/2 teaspoon of nutmeg. Ooh, this nutmeg smells good.
Time to mix it up.
Okay.
We're gonna mix it up. We're gonna mix it
I'm not gonna make her mix again. Cinnamon swirl with cookie crunch, please. You don't even know what I'm talking about.
up. Have no idea.
Never mind.
Now we got to get to the pie part.
So now we have our sweet potato side and we have our cheesecake side. So now what we're gonna do is we are going to be putting them into the pans. So we have our 2 pie crusts. We already did a little fork press. We're gonna do 3 equal parts cheesecake.
Well, we're gonna try.
Drop it. There we go.
That's 1. That's 2.
I like how she just doesn't let go of my fingers. nice to have my hand. Now, the sweet potato side.
Sweet potato.
I almost feel like we did this backwards.
Me too.
It's okay.
Yeah, it still tastes the same. Right?
It should. And the other camera's going.
Oh no. That's why it has that red button thing. And the other one has green.
No.
Oh, I see why.
Turn around, pay attention. Let me go.
And that's good pretty tasty.
We're gonna
Spatula.
sit.
With the spatula. So it can come out really nice. It looks like a sweet potato pie instead of sweet potato cheesecake. Right? I'm making sweet potato pie. Sweet potato cheesecake pie. Sweet potato cheesecake pie.
Okay.
Cheesecake pie, sweet potato, cheesecake pie.
We got it all smooth. Pretty sure that this is overfilled, but do I care?
That's okay.
Exactly. So now what we gotta do, we need a bag.
We need a baggie. Baggie.
So we're gonna put this in there because this is gonna be our topic. Ooh, man. Namissimo, we did it. This is what we're gonna use to decorate our
toppings.
So we're going to
Cut the tip off. So it can be our topping. Our topping.
our toppings. Alright. Look at our pies.
They look identical.
Bro, we could be bakers. We gotta put foil around the edges.
So it doesn't burn.
I told you she be baking. Didn't I say that? Listen, I have no clue how I got mine to stay on, to be honest. TBI. TBI. So, come on here.
Put down second rack.
She know.
You hear the oven shaking?
Yeah. Alright, there goes in her beautiful pie. Oh my gosh, no, the edges are falling off.
Here goes Nevaeh's pie.
Here's my pie.
Okay. So we're gonna put that in there for 35 to 40 minutes. And then we'll
What
come back
she
and check
said.
it.
Oh, okay, my foil falling off there. That's okay. That's not okay, but okay. One pie, which is my pie, right there. Yeah, and here's hers. Yeah.
Then
Here's a jiggly, jiggly, jiggly. There's our pies. Here's one pie. And here's the other.
okay, now show me so I can tell them how long we have. We gotta let it sit for 6 to 8 hours. So we be back. So it's a whole new day. We had to let the pie set for like 8 hours. So one pie is here and the other pie is at my house. Okay, so let me grab the pie. Then we'll go from there. Here is Nevaeh's beautiful
Here's my
pie after being chilled. Okay, we gotta do thumbnails. this pie.
A little tasty test.
We ain't never made this before. We
Yeah.
literally saw it on the internet. It was like, we gotta make that.
So, we made it. We have no idea if we did anything wrong.
No, we know if we did something wrong.
I am taste testing.
Here you go. Ten out of 10 we recommend. Oh wait. This is really good.
You should make it.
I'm glad I got my own at home. You gotta share yours with Marquise.
Yeah.
You gonna give him none?
I'm not eating one.
This is so good.
Yeah.
I might have to make one of these for potluck. I can't even get the word out. Okay, we can't sit here and keep eating pie. We gotta end the video. Alright, well, thank y'all for tuning in to Dodge and Nevaeh Cooks. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Give this recipe a try and let us know down below how it turned out. Okay. Anything else?
Make sure you like and subscribe and comment down below.
Alright. See y'all in the next video.
Peace.
Happy holidays.